motorcycle fun now. Getting better.
Yeah.
Freaking, this bike is so much funner, man. Go out there and fuck around a little bit.
All right.
It's not that impressive. I got a big or small sprocket on it. It's the ultimate bike now, dude. I love this thing. Now it just needs a brake on the back. Grit shift has got a brake coming for the back of this. It's a motorcycle brake instead of this thing. It does all right, but you got to pull on it pretty hard. You got to conquer that first. That almost got ugly. Almost made it. That was a pretty good attempt.
Yep.
Yeah, there's a big lump right here. It's hard to, or a big hole. This thing's going right up that thing. Its lack of traction is all it is. Oh. Ow! An unseen circumstance. Let's see if we can do this again here. All right, we gotta do a better run up, get more speed. Well, that thing sure sucks. We could probably do it on a good curve. Not enough traction, man. And I'm losing momentum. I'm letting off. The front end's coming up on it, man. I'm proud of this bike. If it had a dirt tire, we'd already been up it. But I ain't done yet. Screw that. I'll get more momentum. I already got stickers in my pants. All right.
That's no joke.
There's a big dip. I think I'm gonna go up. I'm just gonna kind of do an arch. Maybe kind of crab up the hill. There's a big lip at the top. That might be a little out of. I can go around that way and get up. I know I can get up over there. Maybe I'll have to do that for the end one if I can't get up this motherfucker. I will get up this motherfucker. That's where I'm going. Motor ain't even warm. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Let's keep some momentum up. That was close.
Yeah.
Whew. The battle scar sweats. That's what it takes to live the extreme life. You know, it's how hardcore we live out here in the valley. That grit shift swing arm in the back, that helped out quite a bit on the hill climb. You know, it kept the front end down because that front end was wanting to come up. And that KO motor, Chi battery, I ain't sponsored by any of them, but pretty happy with what it can do, man. We'll conquer that hill though. It's coming. I'll lay down for nothing. It's just a knobby. Put a knobby on it, we'll be right up that thing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't believe the power though. That's a great pack right there. But that grit shift swing arm for $699 or however much it cost, that was worth its weight in gold money wise. That other stock swing arm is horrible. And that the swing arm deal where I redid the whole jack shaft, all that fit right in that swing arm like nothing. I had to machine that ridge out, get rid of the ridge, but you could do that if you had to. If you're real careful with a barrel sander, you could take that out. But yeah, guess I'll drive home, try to avoid the sheriff.